Excuse me, ma'am. You come to pay to get your vehicle weighed and inspected? Are you in the right line? I come to ask somebody about, because they really know nothing about the process.
You're in the right line, right? Now, in order for you to get your car weighed, you have to pay $25 to the Barbados Revenue Authority to get the car weighed. When you done pay, you need to take the car over to the weighing bridge, to the officer in charge, and they can weigh the car. When the car gets finished weighed, they can give you a weight certificate. Now, before you bring the car, you have to make sure that the engine cleaned in order for them to be able to see the engine number and the chassis number. And you don't have to make no appointment. You can just get here early so that you can get there early.
So I'm in the right line?
Yes,
so I could pay for the weight certificate here now?
Yeah, you can pay for it right here now.
Sorry for butting in, but what do you have to do to get your vehicle inspected?
That's okay, young man. Now, to get the vehicle inspected, if it is a private vehicle, you have to pay $100 for the inspection and $25 for the roadworthy certificate. Now, if it is a PSV or a commercial vehicle, it is $100. But make sure that when you bring the vehicle, right, you walk with the weight certificate and the receipt to show that you pay for the inspection. And also make sure that things for the car are working, because if the vehicle fails the inspection, you have to pay $10 for re-inspection.
So what would cause a vehicle to fail the inspection?
Moms, look, you read my mind, because I was just going to ask you the same thing.
Things like if the horn ain't working, if the light's not working, your brakes, your wipers, those kind of things will cause the vehicle not to pass the inspection, and then it delay the vehicle from getting on the road.
I thank you here, ma'am, because I now understand why it seems to take a little long sometimes.
Yeah, that's all right, ma'am. You're welcome.